What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I was literally in the middle of posting a different video, and now I kind of have to give up on that video to talk about what's happening here. What's going on with CZ, Binance, and paying $4 billion in a settlement is insane, right? That's a lot of money that's being paid by Binance. And the couple of things that went to my mind is like, what did I miss? And also, now the government has more fuel to put to the fire when it comes to, attacking all of these exchanges that are currently in litigation right now. So, obviously Binance, Coinbase, Ripple, Terraform Labs, and now Kraken that they have all of these battles with. They have more fuel to put to that fire. $4 billion that's coming from Binance as a settlement there. And he pleads guilty to breaking U.S. law. So, and not only that, but he's also stepping down as Binance CEO, which is, again, just so many different things that are negative upon negative upon negative, and the markets are not going to react positively. And you can already see that BNB is not really going in the right light. So let's currently check this out, and we'll also look at so the only place I have this available is Fox Business. I don't like to usually go to politically driven, like any different side to a different news source. Typically I like to go to like CoinDesk or anything, but a lot of the major news sources or big networks are actually reporting on it first before they reported on it. Watcher Guru did put something out there, but obviously don't really have an article to break down different things. So Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, will pay more than $4 billion in a plea agreement with the U.S. government, Fox Business has confirmed. Prosecutors said CZ will plead guilty in a Seattle federal court Tuesday to violating U.S. law and settlement that resolves a years-long criminal investigation, the Wall Street Journal first reported. Binance faces 3 criminal charges for violating U.S. Anti-money laundering law. A conspiracy charge and violating the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, court records show. CZ, who founded Binance in 2017 and guided it to a dominant position in the cryptocurrency markets, will step down from the company and plead guilty to causing a financial institution to violate the banking, Sacred Act. He has agreed to pay $50 million fine, which will be credited against sums paid to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, prosecutor said. The plea deal agreement calls for CZ to resign as CEO and bars him from any present or future involvement in operating or managing the cryptocurrency exchange. Binance agreed to pay $1.8 billion criminal fine within 15 months of sentencing. Prosecutors said the company also consented to the $2.5 billion order of forfeiture. So either way, like this is insane to see, right? Because I didn't think that this would come out on a Tuesday, like just a random Tuesday is what it seemed like, where I'm going to have tacos later for dinner. And now I have to worry about what's happening here and what's going on in the crypto market and whether I need to stream all day to see what's happening with the crypto market and keep everybody updated. This is honestly just eye-opening to see. And I want to show you guys exactly what's happening within the market as we have more and more news that's coming out. Like Watcher Guru put something out and said, let's see. So it's the U.S. government criminal charges Binance with the following conspiracy: conduct unlicensed money transmitting business, violating International Emergency Economic Powers Act. U.S. government files criminal charges against Binance. And I believe there was some other things. So Binance to pay $4.3 billion in a settlement with the U.S. government. So that's coming out. Breaking news. CZ resigns as Binance CEO. CZ resigns as CEO of Binance, and they have a full, story that really breaks down this as well to go into that from Watcher Guru. And they basically go through the same thing, talking about everything that we just went over when we just looked at the Fox article. But let's look at the crypto market. And as you can see, it is a sea of red. You're seeing XRP that's at lower than that 60 cent level. You're seeing BNB that's down by 7%. It's at $240 again, while it was up to $270 during the day. We're seeing it down to $240 from a position that was running in the day now to being down a significant amount, a massive amount. Overall, the market cap, I wouldn't say remains strong, but is at a $1.39 trillion market cap. So it's not something that has been absolutely crazy impacted, but you still see that overall cryptocurrency is down by 2.5%. I mean, it was headed that route anyways. You would expect to see a lot more, but it depends on what happens with Binance, because obviously that is the largest exchange. Most money goes through there, all of that stuff that's happening with it. But does this also now, and it may be too early to think about this, does this also now bring others into the table as kind of that larger exchange, or can be that larger exchange, and seeing Coinbase kind of move its way up, seeing maybe Kraken move its way up, seeing others that start moving up the list, because you're not seeing as much that's going through Binance because of speculation and scarcity, people, or not scarcity, but fear, uncertainty, and doubt that's happening within Binance. It's honestly something that makes you think, like, are you going to be invested in there? Are you going to see a massive amount of money that goes through Binance, or is money now going to be flowing to Coinbase and flowing to other exchanges because people are uncertain with what's going to happen? Now, I don't think there's going to be massive, chaos and collapse, because you would see a 10% drop at this moment. But it honestly is completely eye-opening to be able to see the fact that CZ has, one, resigned as CEO. He had to resign as CEO. Two, is paying $4 billion in fines and fees and all of that stuff that's happening there. Two, is now giving the government fuel to the fire, right? More fuel to add to this overall fire of litigation that they have on various places, which means creates more negativity, possibly creating a ton more negativity as you have the sentencing happen. Now, it's not happening right now, but as of the time of sentencing, you'll see that he's going to pay that, or they're going to pay a certain amount, 1 point something billion, and then the 2.5 billion as well. So ultimately, this is surprising, right? I didn't think that this would happen. I have no words, and I just kind of want to go live, but I have things I need to do, so I can't go live. I have to finish uploading this video here, and then you'll see other videos that are uploading. But if you see me live at some point, whether it's on Rumble or it's on YouTube, make sure you stop by and we talk about ZZ and everything that's happening here, any other news that we do have to bring to the table. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you can, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'm just going to be shocked the rest of the time editing this. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.